a beautiful day today. Nothing spectacular, but I just feel good about the day. And right now the sun is shining. It's so beautiful outside. I would go for a walk, but here I am because I love doing this here project with you guys. I am here doing this instead. But I hope you guys are having a beautiful day as well. And just wanted to show you that I showed a video with this top and the matching pants. And today I actually dressed it down. I showed the video showing it dressed up. You know, I put on, necklace and heels with the outfit. And today I'm just showing you the top with another pants that was made by Moi. And I'm loving this fabric. It's so comfortable. I bought this fabric from a store called Joann's a long time ago. And so I've had this pants for a few years now. But, you know, you can see I am blending it with this here color, the royal blue with the different shades of blue. So just to show you how versatile, you know, some of your pieces can be, how you can dress it up, dress it down, you know, dress it with different colors, stuff like that. If I remember, when I'm editing the video, I'll show you a picture of the whole set that I did. But yeah, this is a little baggy, pockets, and I have some flip-flops on. Probably can't see, but I am wearing flip-flops, you know, little pink flip-flops, and I hooked it up with just a little pinky necklace and, you know, earring. Just, I ran an errand today, and this is what I wore. So yeah, this was what they call my outfit of the day. Okay, but I wanted to show you this project that I'm working on. It is a jacket or blazer that I thrifted. What I love about this, for one, it's the color, and I probably have one other double-breasted jacket in my closet. So I love this because it's double-breasted. Doesn't have a collar. The other one does have a collar, so this one doesn't. And I don't know if I mentioned, yeah, I love the color. It's rose pink, one of my favorite colors, shade of pink. What I'm going to do today, oh, and I love the detail on the buttons as well. So what I'm going to be doing, I am thinking that I am going to take the sleeves off, but there is a specific way, that I'm looking at. I'm sorry, I didn't face you when I was telling you, trying to explain. I'm going to be taking the sleeves off. But there's a specific way, because if you notice right here, the shoulder pad is, you know, extending out to the fabric here in the sleeve. So there's going to be a piece hanging over. So if I take all of this off, I'm probably going to have to cut the shoulder pad a little bit in order to enclose the shoulder pad, you know, and seal the fabric up. So I have an idea of what I'm doing, but I'm not 100%, you know, like how it's gonna be done. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I really don't want to cut the fabric, but I might have to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it and leave a little seam allowance here, but I wanted to do it like this, to where this is, you know, sewn down flat, and then I will have this kind of tucked under. So bear with me because I am going to, oh, and it's also lined. So I'm going to go in and start taking out the lining and see how it's attached from there. So my next step is going to be, I removed the lining piece, and this is what inside looks like. So the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to go from here and remove that piece. That's the outer layer now. So I'm going to remove that. And I'm gonna stop right here where the shoulder pad stops. So what I'm gonna do, I am making sure I have enough fabric to cover the end of the shoulder pad. And then I'm gonna turn it this way here. Let me go ahead and pin it. All right, so this is what I've done so far. So I'm gonna go in and I'm kind of cutting the excess fabric. Then I'm gonna be stitching it. So, you know, I will be doing something to the arm right here. So it has a neat finish to it. All right, so I'm gonna do both sleeves that way and I'll be back. So today I had an alterations class, and that was my first time doing a class where I taught how to hem a pant or skirt hem, and it went really well. So this stitch that I'm actually doing is one that I demonstrated today. I'm just hand sewing it because I'm sewing on top of the shoulder pad. Right, so you know that wouldn't look right with the machine stitch. All right, and so I'm almost finished with this section here where I turned that piece here. All right, and you know, sewed it as neatly as I could. So I'm trying to line up the lining along with turning over the fabric at the same time, so I'll get a neat finish at the end. So what I'm doing, I'm using the original seam allowance that was on the sleeve that was there, and using that, I'm turning it over and doing a flat stitch on the outside of the garment. And that's to close up the sleeve. So my next thing I'm gonna do, I've decided to remove the buttons that's on the sleeve. You know, it was like that on the sleeve. I'm removing them and I'm gonna line them along the neck area, or not really the neck, but I guess that's the, you know, kind of like the where the breast folds right there, the front of the vest or jacket. I'm already calling it a vest because it's now a vest. So I'm gonna be putting the buttons here so I can use up those buttons and, you know, add a little bit of pizzazz to it. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. And when I saw this jacket in the store, you know, this is the style that came to mind. You know, just to cut the sleeve off and make it into a vest. And thought about wearing some wide leg pants with it as well. And these are some black pants with cuffs. Then I thought about accessorizing with black and white. So I have this necklace on, this top here, these earrings, and black and white shoes. Okay, so this is the look. So drop it in the comments, let me know what you think about the upcycling or alteration that I did. And you can get the idea, you know, to do something like this, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this little project that I did, and stay tuned for more projects. You'll see me on the next video. Bye.